road trips, rest areas, and trucks. So people still in West Virginia. We're going down this hill. It is steep. It's gradual, but it's very steep. And twists and turns. Look at the. Isn't that a view you want to see when you're taking a road trip or walking? If you're a trucker or you just drive around, it's really, really beautiful. Look at that. We're coming up to this rest area. They usually has a gas station as well, so it's very, very convenient. So if you're on 6477 West Virginia, this will be an ideal place to stop. It should be, how long do you think it is? How far away do you think it is? I'm not sure how far it is, but I will.
She said it's too far.
Yeah, the baby said it's too far. Okay, anyway, I will try my best and capture the actual name. So when you come into West Virginia, that will be a stop that I put in mind, because it's a nice rest area with gas as well. So you can gas up, eat, and relax. West Virginia style, wild and wonderful.